My video guide will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Streamic. Streamic is the extension for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it you will be able to find some online streaming services, but in reality this extension operates as adware. Once installed, it may periodically display its own advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. These ads may not be decent in some cases, and they may even point you to many shady and deceptive resources in the internet. So if this Streamic extension was added to your Google Chrome without your permission, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and then disable and remove this Streamic extension. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, please consider researching it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin researching your computer to identify and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.